Is it time to buy or sell Chime Financial Class A common stock? In this video, we will explore Chime Financial Class A common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2025, our system has ranked Chime Financial Class A common stock as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.71. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -9.64%. This translates to an average loss of -3.21% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 29.41% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 37.58% to a decrease of 8.20%. Our latest daily update for Chime Financial Class A common stock includes the headline: Chime Financial Inc. Class A common stock price took a fall of 6.46% on Thursday. The Chime Financial Inc. Class A common stock price fell by 6.46% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025. The price dropped from $23.05 to $21.56. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.81%, with a low of $21.50 and a high of $22.75. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, totaling a decline of 9.94% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 1 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This increase in volume could be an early warning sign, suggesting a slight rise in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 3 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $73,004,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $44.94, while the lowest price was $21.50. Currently, the price stands at 52.02%, or $23.38, below the 52-week high of $44.94, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Chime is back in the spotlight this month. Management presented at Goldman Sachs Communacopia and Technology Conference, and the CEO has been publicly highlighting consumer strength and a new cash-back card product. The company has also confirmed its participation in investor events and a strategic partnership with Workday to incorporate Chime's workplace financial benefits. These initiatives support customer acquisition and revenue diversification, adding to a visible growth narrative. However, this momentum is slightly offset by concerns raised by analysts and commentators regarding Chime's zero-profit retail banking model following a disappointing second quarter. A notable sell recommendation has contributed to short-term negative sentiment. Corporate social responsibility initiatives, like a scholarship cohort valued at $3 million, enhance the brand and engagement, but do not significantly impact profitability. In the near term, we can expect volatility surrounding earnings, product rollouts, and any reactions from analysts regarding conference commentary. Headlines and prominent sell recommendations could apply pressure on the stock. Looking ahead, sustained user growth, effective monetization of workplace and card products, and a clear pathway to positive margins will drive potential upside. Conversely, a failure to improve unit economics or adverse regulatory changes affecting interchange and fee revenue could limit valuation and maintain elevated downside risk. Analyst ratings. On Friday, August 8, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned CHYM a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, July 7, 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned CHYM an outperform rating with an initiate recommendation. On Monday, July 7, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned CHYM an overweight rating with an initiate recommendation. On Monday, June 30th, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned CHYM a buy rating with an initiate recommendation. Analysts have assigned CHYM Financial Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio receives the same strong sell designation. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CHYM Financial Class A common stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the short-term outlook. The CHYM Financial Inc. Class A common stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance levels can be expected at $23.45 and $26.03. A breakout above any of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, September 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 13.9%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal was noted 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal was indicated 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal was noted 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, was observed 33 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, buy signal was noted 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, was indicated 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, was observed 27 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CHYM Financial Class A common stock. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.25 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 5.81%. Throughout the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 6.19%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for CHYM Financial Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 24 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CHYM Financial Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CHYM Financial Class A common stock is at $23.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Chime Financial Class A common stock a good buy? Chime Financial Incorporated Class A common presents several negative signals and is currently within a wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 26th of September, we expect Chime Financial Class A common stock to open higher by approximately 377/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $21.94. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.